Welcome to Go Mandarin Grammar
华语语法战士。
This video will talk about word order in Chinese. As mentioned earlier, Chinese is basically an SVO language. However, when the speaker wants to put emphasis on a specific sentence element or show that something happens first, the word order changes. Here's an example. Da-san comes home and his father asks him about school life. The conversation goes like this.
你在哪里考试？
Where do you take your exams?
在学校。
At school.
学校的考试简单吗？
Are the school exams easy?
简单。
They're easy. In the conversation, if the father wants to emphasize
简单吗？
is it easy, then
简单吗？
can be moved to the front of the sentence. The sentence then is
简单吗？学校的考试。
Another example. The man invites a woman to see a movie. He says,
我明天要去看电影，你去吗？
I'm going to see a movie tomorrow. Would you go with me? The woman replies,
我明天没空。
I don't have time tomorrow. If the lady would like to emphasize
明天
tomorrow, which is the day she can't go, the position of
明天
would change. The new sentence would be
明天我没空。
To sum up, we have reviewed the basic SVO structure in Chinese, the position of time phrases, and how the positions of words and phrases are changed to form different sentence patterns. Well done! You've learned word order in Chinese. See you at the next lesson.